Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to share Instagram post as story. If you're using Instagram and you want to share an Instagram post to your story, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just select the post which you want to set as your own Instagram story. As I'm going to select the first one and here the share icon, just tap on it and here you will get this type pop-up. You just have to scroll it to right and you will get the add to story icon here. But if you won't get it here, you have to update your Instagram app. So after updating, you will get the option. Just tap on add to story and then the post will successfully add it to your Instagram story. So that's how you can easily share Instagram post as story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.